Welcome back to another edition of iThoughts PMS Fact Sheet Deep Dive. Let's see how our PMS strategies did for the month of April. First up, we have Solitaire. Solitaire had a solid April. It gained ground, showing that sticking to quality companies pays off even when the rest of the market feels a little bit wobbly. We continue to stick to what works, picking companies with clean books, strong earnings, and good management. As of April, 77.6% of the portfolio is in debt-free companies and the beta remains steady at 0.76. So yes, it's still a solid choice for those who want quality across large, mid and small caps. Solitaire had a solid month with a 4.72% gain in April. That's on top of an already strong long-term showing. Over the past 2 years, Solitaire has delivered 26.93%. And since inception in August 2019, the portfolio has compounded at 22.58%. If you're interested in a portfolio of market leaders, send us a message on WhatsApp. Next up, we have TrueBlue. TrueBlue had a good month too. Large caps were back in the game and that worked in our favor. This strategy is all about sticking with reliable Nifty 50 names, but not all of them. We stay picky and that works. April saw TrueBlue outperform its benchmark yet again, and it's been doing that across the board 1, 2, 3 years and even since inception. Low volatility and strong conviction have always been its secret sauce. If you want a calmer investing experience, this one ticks all the boxes. In terms of performance, April clocked 4.75%. It beat the Nifty 50 TRI, which returned 3.48%. That's not a one-off. TrueBlue has also outperformed over the longer time periods, delivering 15.7% over 1 year, 17.5% over 2, and 16.75% over 3. Since its launch in March 2021, it has given us a solid 13.12% CAGR. We're still sticking with high-quality names from Nifty 50 with a balanced sector mix and strong tilt towards financials and FMCG. If you would like a fresh take on the Nifty 50 and want to add the bluest of blue chips to your portfolio, investing in TrueBlue is just a matter of a click. Start your journey with TrueBlue today. Up next, we have our small cap PMS, Vriddhi. Vriddhi continues to stay committed to finding hidden gems in the small cap space. Yes, the ride has been bumpy lately, but that's how small caps work. The good news, April brought a positive uptick after months of pressure. We still back companies with market leadership, low debt, and strong cash generation. Interestingly, many of these businesses don't even have analyst coverage yet, which means we're seeing them before the crowd does. Contra, right? Long story short, Vriddhi plays the long game. Small caps had a more muted April, but Vriddhi still managed a 1.8% gain for the month. This comes after a rough patch in the last 2 quarters. While the 1-year return is still at -8%, long-term numbers are holding up really well, 21.1% over 2 years and 21.7% CAGR since launch in May 2021. Vriddhi doesn't chase momentum. It sticks with companies that are under the radar but show promise in terms of market leadership, governance, and earnings power. If you are interested in investing in industry leaders in niche markets, send us a message on WhatsApp and get in touch with us today. Next up, we have our multi-asset PMS strategy, the calm in the storm, Sphere. Sphere had another great month. Being a multi-asset portfolio helps. We don't just stick to equities. A mix of global assets, precious metals, debt, and equity helps manage risk and catch opportunities. While the broader markets were catching their breath, Sphere quietly added value. With over 22% in gold and a nice balance between Indian equities and other assets, it's the kind of strategy that doesn't get rattled too easily. Sphere continued its strong run with a positive 4.01% return in April. That brings its 1-year return to 20.08%, and over 3 years, it compounded at 25.64 CAGR. With over 22% in precious metals, a healthy chunk in debt and global exposure, Sphere is a steady, diversified bet for anyone looking to invest across different asset classes without the stress of tracking it all. If you would like a dynamic multi-asset strategy with a strong focus on the macros, get in touch with us right away. Our last PMS product, and NRIs, this one's for you, NEO. NEO, our exclusive strategy for NRIs, had a smooth run too. It benefits from the same multi-asset approach as Sphere, but comes with a focus on long-term, globally aware investing. April brought solid returns backed by a strong equity component and a healthy chunk in precious metals. If you're an NRI looking for a portfolio that thinks globally and invests carefully, NEO checks all the right boxes. Over the past 1 year, it has delivered 18.98%, and since its launch in October 2022, the strategy has clocked an impressive 25.70% CAGR. Just like Sphere, NEO uses a top-down approach mixing equity, gold, debt, and global investments in the right proportions. If you are an NRI looking for a well-rounded portfolio that's not overly risky but still growth-focused, NEO is tailored exactly for that. Don't forget to get in touch with us on WhatsApp today. April showed us that good things do happen when you stay the course. Every strategy in our PMS basket delivered positive returns, and the longer-term numbers continue to look strong. We didn't do anything flashy, we just stayed focused on quality, diversification, and discipline. Whether you're into large caps, small caps, or multi-asset portfolios, we've got a strategy that fits. And as always, we're here to help you stay invested with clarity. Get in touch with us today if you would like to know more about our products. We're only a click away.